Hello, good morning guys, and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we're gonna be working on a Lexus 2006 IS220d. The problem that we're having is this passenger door. Let me show you what's going on. So what's happening, this door is not locking. So you can lock the car and you can still open the door from the outside. So just to show you, I'm gonna press the lock here, so it's like the door is shut at the moment. And I'm gonna lock the car. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, there is a sensor here as well. I removed the rubber boots and I use this wood clamp just to clamp the sensor. Now I'm going to try to lock the car. So when I try to lock the car, that happens. So unlocked, lock again. And if you pay attention to that, there we go. That's what's happening. There is a really common problem with this car, which is the motor inside the lock mechanism here. They wear out, the brushes wear out and stop working. I don't think it's the case here. I think we probably have something mechanical. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this panel off and then we'll find out. Alright, normally for any door, you normally have one fixing right in the middle of the door, and then you have screws around it or those plastic poppers. Sometimes you have to remove this part as well. I never worked on this door, but I can actually see, there we go. This panel is a little bit broken already. There's a screw there. Just a Phillips screw, and I lost my screwdriver. Phillips screw here. I hope I'm not in the way. Phillips screw there. Normally have one in the middle, and I think it's just underneath this panel here. Pry it off, and let me show you. Let me show you. So that's it. You have a 10mm bolt here. It's quite loose already, actually. I can tell this door has been worked on before, so. Alright, so the door card is off. As you can see, you just got those plastic poppers around and those two fixings that I showed earlier, and I found the problem. Nothing too exciting, but the only good thing here is this probably applies for a lot of cars. So as you can see here, the cable for the locking mechanism is jammed, is off where it should be here. There's a little hole here where the ball for the cable goes in, and at the moment it's just jammed. So every time you try to lock the door, let me show you, that's what happens. It just doesn't move. That's why the door's not locking. So I'm gonna remove that. This door has definitely been off before. There's another cable here that hasn't been connected, and it's for for the lights on the door at the bottom there. So let's try now, see if the car locks. So that should move as well. There we go. See, it works now. So basically what happens, there's a motor there that pulls the cable. See, that's locked, unlocked. So because the cable was jammed, it was not allowing the cable to move and lock the door. So like I said, it's a really simple thing. Probably the good thing here is it doesn't only apply for this car. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put the cable back in its place, and then we're gonna try the door again. Oops. Well, see, it's definitely working. Right, just gonna get that cable through, connect everything up. There's a tweeter here for that cable. Put the window control. I'm gonna have to disconnect that, put the window control back. There you go, so job done. Let me show you the locking lever here. See, it's moving as it should now. It was really floppy before, and it was basically holding the cable. I don't think I showed you locking the door, opening the door from the outside, but you could lock the car and the car would open it. Oh, this is a keyless entry, so I'm gonna have to keep the key away. Oh, it's locked. Let's put the key far away. There we go. It's locked now. And it wasn't locking. So that's it, guys. Nothing too exciting, but I think there's information there that it's going to help probably a lot of people with different cars, because other cars has the same mechanism. That cable get jammed up somewhere, it's not gonna work. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video helps, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like it. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.